Imo State House of Assembly celebrates Governor Hope Uzodimma victory at the polls. Today, Thursday, the 16th day of November 2023, Imo State House of Assembly celebrates a victory party for the successful re-election of distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma Onwa Oyoko as the governor of Imo State. This celebration is championed by the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Chike Olembe. In the highlights of the victory party, the clerk/head of legislative service, Barrister Mrs. Chinero Adora Emeghara, expressed with overwhelming joy all the benefits the House benefited from the governor and its administration.
Right Honorable Chike Olembe, the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Amarachi Chinaiwayawu, the Majority Leader, Honorable Dele Onyemechi, all the honorable members here present. We are here at the behest of the Speaker. The Speaker found it in good wisdom that we should have a victory party today to celebrate the victory of the performing governor of Imo State, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma, who got 27 over 27 in the last election. This is a record that has never ever happened or been recorded in Imo State, and it is worth celebrating. Today I stand here to say that we have the best House of Assembly complex in Nigeria. Yes, we are comfortable. The offices have been well equipped. Everything is working, and workers now long to come to the office because of the kind of environment we have. When you go to some other places, you don't see light, you don't see, in fact, the environment is dead. But here, we are on top of the world. I want to tell you, Mr. Speaker, that a few months ago, when the Parliamentary Association of Nigeria came to Imo State to host their NEC meeting, which was also sponsored by His Excellency, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma. They came to this House of Assembly on excursion, and they agreed and testified that this is the best House of Assembly complex in Imo State. And because of that, they wrote a commendation letter to the governor, which we have already given to him. So we have so many things to be thankful for. We have our promotions that have been denied staff for the past 20 years. Some staff here got 3 promotions at once. Conventions that have been stopped since 2019, everything happened just because of this, our governor. So we are very happy for this victory. And I want to thank Mr. Speaker for thinking of this party and sponsoring it, calling out staff today to come and eat, drink, and make merry. And thank the God Almighty that made this victory possible. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to hand over the microphone to you now to talk to your staff. Thank you, sir.
Also, the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Chike Olembe, who anchored the victory party, thanked the staffs for their support during the election.
That I have looked at all the faces here before me and observed that everybody is in a celebration mode. True or false? My major reason I'm standing here is because we have only one House of Assembly we can call our own. In the 10th House of Assembly, we are like family. We work as a team. So whatever you see here today is not Chike Olembe, it's the 10th Imo State House of Assembly. I'm standing here to say thank you to all of folks. The result that His Excellency had, this result of 11/11 is organic result. Organic result. First time in history. First time in Imo State election. A governor winning. He won in all the 27 local governments they have in Imo State. We have never had it like this before. Thank you for believing Senator Hope Uzodimma, for voting for him, because you voted. Today, he can be proud that he has people like you. They have talked much about the complex, but be rest assured, by the special grace of God, as His Excellency has been re-elected, in this his coming, be rest assured He's going to work with you, and He will do more add to the one He has done. So we cannot talk more today, for we have come to celebrate, dine and wine with the House members. So permit me to say congratulations to all of us.
The staffs, we are all happy, singing a victory song for Governor Hope Uzodimma's victory.
Senator Hope, Adishadi Keleya, Onona, Adishadi Keleya, Onona, Governor, Rere, Dama, Madisara, Zara, Dama, Rere, Dama, Chukwe, Manayo,
To God be the glory. This report is brought to you by Besure-net.